5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can create animated videos using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link, this page will be opened. From here you can select your character. For example, I'll select this monkey. Then I can also change the background. I'll select this background and then I'll change the size. I'll select this size. From here you can record the audio. You can also browse the file. I'll browse it and I'll click this. My animated video has been generated. Let's play it.
5 little monkeys jumping on the
You can download the video from here. This is how you can create animated video using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.